How to install Python on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Python is a high-level interpreted programming language known for its simplicity, readability, and versatility. It is used in various platforms such as web development, data science and machine learning, science computing, automation scripting, and game development. So, in order to install it on your Windows 11, here is a quick way. For that, first of all, open any of your browser. Then after, search for Python download. Then tap on the first link which is provided by python.org, and from here you can download the latest version for Windows. Just tap on the download Python button and you're good to go. This will now install installer file in the download section. Now you just have to double tap on it in order to confirm the administrator privileges to proceed. After this, you have to select several options during installation. The first one is make sure to tick on add path. After that, select optional features, that is for beginners. The default settings are usually sufficient. After that, you can simply tap on install now button and the installer will copy necessary files and set up Python on your system. The setup can take a while if the computer takes time to install and set up the different kinds of files and folders required. Additionally, you can also use Python IDEs such as PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, or IDLE for more comprehensive development environment. Now, if you want to check if the download is completed or not, you can just tap on CMD or command prompt. Tap open it and then tap in Python space dash dash version. And there you go, you have successfully installed Python on your system. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.